Hi, I'll Dragon Metals here. Today I'll be taking apart this sizable widescreen TV. My Technika LCD. It is extremely large. Nice widescreen. Never taken apart one of these before, so I'm not quite sure what to expect inside, but I'll find out. See what there is for gold recovery or copper. Maybe some silver, other materials. Already taken out most of the mounting screws. Oh, thing weighs a ton. Massive steel plate on the bottom. Counterweight. That could be handy. We'll be salvaging that. Right. And this at a better angle. Right, I've already removed most of the mounting screws. Catch any that I've left. And remove the casing. See what we have inside. So I literally have no idea. Used to taking apart CRT TVs. May need to take off this mounting here. With my pliers. Yeah, it looks like. Oh dear. Little screws hidden underneath this mounting. Looks like they'll need to be removed also. Damn. Now plastic's all stuck around it. There. Okay, should just cut all of the stuff. All the mounting screws have been removed. Let's see if I can pry it open. Yeah, never mind. It's just locked in there quite well. See if I can get some leverage. So that's stuck on. Don't really see. This thing is huge. Feels like there's more screws holding it in place. I think I may have to remove that ones. Appears to be some other mounting screws in there, mounting points. Looks like it's necessary to remove the ones on the base also. Quickly get through this. Model's being removed. This has been opened before, I can tell. Lots of missing screws, broken parts. It was pre-owned to begin with, found it, e-waste. Figured it'd be a bit different from my usual CRT type TVs. Wow, that one really stuck in there. Same here. Sneaky. Someone went over the top with screwing these in. That's one screw. think it might actually be a different screw. What the hell? Probably. There we go. Base is off. Could be handy. Some strange materials with a U sort of bend on there. What's that large counterweight on the bottom? Right, let's remove this casing now. Snappy, snappy sounds. Ooh, quite a lot in here. Right, we have a large transformer here with the power supply board. Lots and lots of copper. That's good. Large capacitor here. That'll be good for aluminium recovery, maybe some silver if it's plated. Some transistors. Lots and lots of cable. Also good for copper or aluminium. Nice large board here, HDMI board. And some timing crystal. There's a few. 3. There's pure silver within them and the contacts. Oh no, 4. Quite a lot there. Quite a lot of IC chips also. Good for gold recovery. Well, once you have enough. That'd be a nice big large one. Some inducers, they're good for copper. Those things with 220 written on them. See them there? They're inducers, and they got, or inductors, however you want to say it. But they have copper inside them as well. Silver plated contacts, most likely these. On the audio and SCART connector. You can see that there. Got a little RF box here, that'll have a crystal inside it and probably some palladium. I can see some palladium capacitors, MLCCs in here. Few. And lots of resistors. They have silver in them. And sometimes ruthenium, rare but difficult to extract. So, there's quite a lot in there. Some speakers on the bottom also. Not sure what that is. Looks like some sort of switchboard. Probably has tactile switches on it with silver in. Massive backlight board here with transformer after transformer lined up, as you can see. And well, I'm going to take that off and get into there. See what's in there. Since there seems to be some nice stuff. The screws are quite easy to remove. Now I'm inside the case. Worth keeping screws. You never know when you might need a specific size of screw. And they sell for quite a bit in large bags. Garages and stuff. I've used them. Nice chunk of steel, strange sort of grating. Right, what we got here? More switches as expected. Some tantalum and aluminium capacitors. Lots of copper within this board, I can see it inside of the layers. You can see that just in the gaps of the solder. That has tin, possibly lead, silver or antimony, whatever, inside it. All worth money, precious metals. Well, the only part of the gold that will be inside this TV will likely be inside of these microchips here. Inside of what IC chips there are. Well, there are a few, as you can see. So, good salvage. Oh, there's a chip there, removable. Not sure what that is. It has a mounting. That can be reused. So, quite a bit inside here. Salvage. All these boards are backed with silver solder as well, or maybe just standard silver with lead. Who knows? That will require testing. But massive amount inside here. You have some more tactile switches here on the side, on-off switches and such. You've seen them before in my other teardown videos, and they contain silver, small amounts in the contacts. So, quite a bit in this. There's also backlight in here somewhere. I believe it's just under here, under this large power supply board. So, pretty good teardown, considering. Didn't think there'd be that much in here in the way of circuit boards, but I was wrong. Nice power supply with quite a bit of copper on there, as well as on the backlight. So, good salvage. Well, until next time.